let's take a look at the other two. So rather than a task list, I would like to see what essay would be like. All right, so all we need to do is change it to essay and make sure we save changes. There we go. All right, so now if I return to the lesson here, and let me actually go into the reporting quick, and I'm going to delete this submission. That way it'll let me retake the assignment. I didn't pass. It's a new assignment completely. I can delete the submission there, the assignment attempt. I'm going to return to the lesson, and now when I go back into the assignment, it'll be the essay assignment type, and it'll be a fresh start for me. All right, so start assignment. There's the video we still have. Our description is still there, but this is different. The essay, I can type out here an essay, I'll say, and students have access to different heading sizes. They can make things bold, underline things, and do all sorts of formatting in here. It will tell me my word count here at the bottom. If you have like a 500 word essay or something, it'll also say the minimum, but I'll just go ahead and submit the essay I just wrote here. And if I scroll up to the top, we can see it's pending. I have 0%, it's pending review. So what I can do is, since I don't have a prerequisite, I'm not required to complete this lesson before moving on. It's going to let me just move on to the next lesson. But if you want to set up prerequisites so there has to be instructor intervention, an essay assignment type might be a good way to go, because then instructors would have to grade the assignment before students can move on. But if I go over here to the assignments reporting again, let's reload, and there's the attempt I just did. We can see, I can click on the ID here. There's my essay I wrote. As an instructor, I can start a review and say, all right, so then I have to add a grade in here as well, 90%, save review. And now as the student, if I come back in here, I will have 90% grade, and I have my instructor remarks right here. So if a student comes back, they can see the instructor remarks and move on to the next lesson.